Hello, Chef here, and many of you know what this is, some of you don't. Leave it in the comments. Oh, it's so beautiful. Pure, amazing. So this goes in my paella. I've got a nice paella going here. There's all kinds of good stuff in there. Sausage, shrimp, chicken, olives, tomatoes, spinach, fresh fish. Wow, that's gonna be good. Rendering the fat off the bacon. Oh, looks so good. The finished paella. Garnishing with lemon twist, crispy bacon from the other video, touch of balsamic reduction. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and check out the chef's other recipes for more about saffron as well as paella. There's various recipes from a few of us chefs on the channel here. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking.